how to use ElevenLabs for free. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your favorite browser and simply search in for ElevenLabs. So once you search in for that is elevenlabs.io, you will be officially redirected to its official website, that is homepage over here. So once you're inside here, as you can see, you can use different method of different voices like voiceover, news, narration, audiobook, conversational audio, which converts basically your text to speech. So as you can see, it has provided me a sample of text which I can easily convert and listen as an audio in the voice of Brian as a voiceover.
Discover a world where innovation meets elegance.
So as you can see, currently I am not able to simply download this for more than 500 words. So that is because this is a free version. So to get started with free, what you can do is just click on this try for free and simply make sure you have to log in or sign in with your account. So I'll just quickly do that. So once you sign in with your account, just enable this setup quickly. So once you're finally inside this screen, over here you can basically type in anything just like this and simply generate a speech by simply selecting this text to speech button. And as you can see, currently you will have 10,000 credit remaining. That means you'll have 10,000 credits for 5,000 characters to generate your speech. From over here you can also always convert it to the premium version, which is a paid version. So you can basically click on this generate speech button over here to simply
Hello world, what's up?
generate this speech. As you can see,
Hello world, what's up?
it's talking right now. So you can also download it on your device locally. So another thing what you can also do is you can use different features such as voice changers, sound effects from over here, and you can also put a audio version of studio or dubbing, conversational AI, speech to text. You can also use other audio tools such as audio native, voiceover studio, etc. And if you ever want to increase or the current version of this ElevenLabs, you can simply tap on this upgrade with more features. Like as you can see, currently we are using a free version of it, which provides this limited features. So you can always go for the higher version if you want, just like this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.